Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create an animated story using AI. So we're going to go to ChatGPT first, and we're going to enter this prompt. It is a lot. Hopefully you guys can, well, if you'd like this, I'd probably put it in the description box down below. So here is the full story, and then the detailed prompts will be out underneath here. And then you're just going to basically copy the prompt and go to any AI prompt that you'd like. So you'll obviously want it from text to video. You can select the model, the duration. I'll just use Pixverse for this, but you can use any other ones you'd like. There are probably better ones. Here is where you want to describe the content you want to create. The prompt isn't out yet. Here you go. So scene 1. You're just going to copy that and then paste it here. You can also make ChatGPT generate the image first before. And I'm just going to select create here. If you want the script, you can also like put it in 11 Labs and then have it say like the actual full story. For instance, like this is the script. Go to 11 Labs and you're just going to enter the text to speech here. And then you can select the voice that you'd like. So we want like a narrative voice, for instance, so.
Will not perish from the earth.
So let's do, for instance, Charlotte. So we're just going to select Charlotte and then we're going to generate speech here.
Nina adjusted the straps of her small pink backpack as she skipped down the forest path. Her wavy brown hair bounced, and her big expressive eyes scanned every leaf.
And then you're just going to download it, and then from like the video, okay, make sure the prompt is like you want it in cartoon. Then you're just going to hold on. Okay, it should be 3D Pixar style, but I think it's better if you do like another website. But you're just going to enter your prompts, and then you're just going to go to CapCut and just mix everything together once you're done. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.